Hello everyone. So today we are going to be looking at current energies. This is a collective reading and I do not know what energies are going to come up. I'm not setting any topic in my mind for this reading. Whatever comes up comes up. Okay? So let us begin. This is a timeless reading. So whenever you happen to watch it will be the right time for you. I'm going to do a Celtic cross spread here. Let's see what the universe, what your spirit guides want to tell you. Thank you for being present here. Thank you for watching this video. I'm grateful for each and every one of you. So, your current situation or scenario is 5 of cups. Your blockage is 5 of pentacles. In the recent past, we have 2 of wands. Your challenge is 3 of swords. Okay, so someone clearly needed to hear these messages. Someone is going through a really difficult time, and I'm sorry. I've been there. What do you need to focus on? We have the 7 of pentacles. Sorry, my camera keeps on zooming out. And the outcome or the future is judgment. Your energies are the chariot. External influences is knight of wands. Hopes or fears is 3 of cups. And the outcome is the Hierophant. Bottom of the deck we have the page of wands. So someone in the recent past has gone through something extremely traumatic, and your spirit guides are here to tell you that the worst is behind you. They know that you have gone through a lot. You have been through so much, and they have been there with you. They are supporting you. They know how you feel. They know what the loss that you experienced feels like, and they want you to know that they are there to help you in whatever capacity that they can. If you call on them, if you invite them into your life, if you ask for help. You clearly have been through so much. You were extremely excited about something in this 2 of wands here. This this woman here is excited about the future. She is looking out in the horizon, in the distant horizon, planning for the future. But destiny had different plans. Something drastic, something severe happened, which is why your current scenario is 5 of cups. Your current energy is 5 of cups, where you are like, I have had enough. I have been through enough. I have lost enough, and I do not have any more energy, any more power in me to carry on. But your spirit guides are here to tell you that it is important that you experience each and every aspect of life, that you experience whatever comes your way gracefully, because each and every lesson that you learn along the way in life, it, it is important for your future, for your next step. And it is important that you do not feel alone, that you do not feel like nothing is going to improve with the Five of Pentacles here. This is the feeling of being left out in the cold, of not knowing what is going to happen next, or who is with you, or who supports you, or where your next happiness, where your next support, where your next good news is coming from, or if it is coming. Your spirit guides want you to let go of the heartbreak, or of the difficult situation that you have been a part of with the Three of Swords. The worst is behind you. That is what your spirit guides are here to tell you. Certain experiences are important in life, so that you can build on these experiences, so that you can build a bright future based on these experiences, based on these lessons that life has taught you or is teaching you. But you have been through it, you have been through the ringer, and you have given it your all with the Seven of Pentacles. You have invested everything that you could. You have done everything in your power to control, alter, or change, or to end the situation. That's what your spirit guides are saying. And they are saying that they have noticed what you have been doing, and that whatever you have done is remarkable, and they appreciate it. Please do not start doubting your self-worth based on the experiences that you had in the past, because future does not look the same. Future is different. Future holds good things, positive things for you. This was essential because certain aspect, certain part of your life was over. Certain aspect of your life was not in alignment anymore. And if this situation, if this event had not come along, you would have continued to survive. You would have continued to adjust in this environment that was not conducive for your growth, that was not beneficial for you. So it is important to remember that the worst is behind you, and whatever has happened is for the best, and what the future holds is much better. Good things are on the way with the Page of Wands here. The Page of Wands is a carrier of good news. He is the epitome of positivity, of optimism, of cheerfulness, of new things, of better things, happier times ahead. So, your spirit guides want you to give it everything that you have got, because the chariot, it talks about your dedication, of your efforts, of bringing in that balance, of using the willpower, and of knowing that just because something wrong has happened to you in the past, one time or multiple times, does not mean that the same things are going to be repeated in the future. The chariot talks about a positive mindset of knowing that there are better times ahead. The chariot talks about success, it talks about optimism, it talks about willpower to make certain things happen, to make your dreams come true, to achieve the goals that you have set for yourself, and to make it, to take one step at a time and to reach your target. In the external influences, we have the Knight of Wands. So you are supported by a positive energy. You are supported by that willpower, by the determination, by the drive, the passion, the energy that is required to achieve success, and to the energy that is required to be positive, to have a positive outlook on your life, and to know that with the Three of Cups, even though you did not get the kind of support that you want from the people you had in your life, you could not find the people who could support you, you could not find anyone who could motivate you during this time, who could tell you that everything is going to be all right. But that does not mean that you do not, or you will not have anyone like that in the future. In certain cases here, there were people who were extremely close to you, people who you relied on for certain things, for motivation, for guidance, for support, and the very same people ended stabbing you in the back, ended up stabbing you in the back, ended up deceiving you, and it can be very painful. So your spirit guides would like you to know that nothing of the sort is going to happen in the future, and that you have help available in the form of this Hierophant. This Hierophant, if you notice the keys here, it means that you are going to find the solution to your problems, that you are going to find the help, you are going to find a teacher, a guru, who is going to guide you, who is going to help you with all this. The spirit guides, your spirit guides are letting me know that they want you to improve your communication with them. They want you to communicate with them daily, to change the way in which you communicate, to change the way in which you approach them. There is something that you they are constantly reminding me that you are not alone, you are not alone, you are not alone, you are not alone. This is what they are saying. And this, if you hear the bird, did you hear the bird? Okay, so that is a positive indication. It is a confirmation that indeed your spirit guides and the universe communicates to you via different channels, via different mediums. Okay, so please do not lose hope and please be positive, and the worst is behind you. This was all for today's reading. Do let me know if this resonates. This was a specific message for someone that my spirit guides wanted to get out. I don't know, I never do collective readings, but today I was told to do it. After a long time, I'm uploading this video. So I wish you all the best. I am always there for you if you need any help. Please let me know if you do. And I will see you with another reading really soon. Until then, please take care of yourself. Bye.